What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here on our daily time frame. As always, you can see this big uptrend channel that we have been talking about for a long time here. Obviously, we've formed the top and the bottom of this channel quite clearly here. Multiple touches on either side. Heading to the upside here in this bull market. You can see this chart history is very bullish indeed. You could argue this is one big cup and handle formation here for Vechain. Before the bull market started, at the start of January here, you can see we really started to pick up here from that, what was that, 2-cent level, all the way to 28 cents. Basically doing well over a 10x there, just from the start of January, which is absolutely incredible. And you can see here that we've been coiling up for such a long time, haven't we, for Vechain? Ever since April here. Basically been coiling up, making lower highs and higher lows, quite clearly coiling into some kind of apex here, as we've been saying for a long time. You can see all of our technical analysis here. Big descending wedge here where we did get the breakout, the back test. We started coming back up, but we got stuck under our 618 on the way back up to the all-time high here, which would be our technical target from this descending wedge. We obviously rolled over with that ABC correction in September as well with the overextension, which was the bullish divergence. We get that bounce off the downside there, come back into this range that we formed in between our 0.38 and our 0.50 Fibonacci levels here. Obviously, we've got broke out of that as well. We come back up and retest the top of the pennant resistance. And you can see here that it looks as though, from what we can tell over the past few days, that Vechain is pumped all the way up to the 618. We got rejected. We come back down. We actually hold the EMAs, the 0.50 and the pennant as a support there, which is really bullish to see. And it looks as though we are actually, currently holding this area as support, which would be super bullish for continuation if we can see it. Obviously, the 20 moving average here for Vechain looks as though that it is potentially holding as support along with the pennant. And if that's the case, I mean, we could be looking at some very nice price targets for Vechain very soon. I mean, depending on how much of this price action you want to say is the flagpole. I mean, you could argue ever since the bear market here, this could be your flagpole. And obviously, if that was the case, we would be heading up to around 36 to 40 cents for Vechain. If that was the case, looking very bullish indeed. Or if this is your flagpole here, you can see easily heading up into that range at around 35-36 cents, which is past the all-time high, heading up towards that 127 extension we're looking for. So you can see on the Fibonacci here that we've drawn in, it's quite clear that Vechain's got a really nice amount of potential here. This yellow line being that golden $1 everyone's looking for that we have outlined. You can see here, obviously, if we start picking up through our Fibonacci levels, getting up towards the 127, the 141, we're obviously getting into that 50 cents to $1 target that we are looking for Vechain, which are all entirely possible based on this recent fib pull, in our opinion. A big 227 extension coming up to around $2.40, which would be absolutely crazy for Vechain. A really nice, what would that be, 15x from the current price? Really nice for a top quality crypto. Obviously not saying that this will happen, but when you look at the top of the channel as resistance here, we could be looking at, heading up well above $1 in December, January time if we do start to pick up for Vechain and get back up to, some of that price action that we do expect from Vechain. So if we take a look at some short-term price predictions, then we'll keep things nice and short and sweet. If we roll over here, you'd probably expect this pennant and the 20 moving average to hold at around 12.5 cents, currently trading at 13.5 cents. And then if we do roll over a little bit more, you've got that 0.50 at 12 cents with the 55 EMA, where you could come down, find support here, and then really get that pickup, which in our opinion would be quite likely considering, how much Vechain's been coiling up. It really is due a pump, isn't it? And we do think that that's going to happen very soon, considering how bullish this chart formation does look. Obviously, moving to the upside, we're targeting the 618 first at 14.7 cents, and then heading up towards that 0.78 at 20 cents if we break that, forming that higher high, higher low, and then the higher high back test, and then continuation, coming back towards the all-time high and beyond. And then, as we said earlier, 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, we do think very possible, even likely considering how much it's coiling up. It's really due a huge move, isn't it? And we're probably going to see that quite soon. maybe even getting an overextension beyond $1, but we'll see when they get there. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.